Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Python and a code editor for Python. So, what's Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language made by Guido van Rossum. Python is used worldwide for AI development, web development, game development, software development, and is also used by hackers. So, by now, you must have knowledge of what's Python. So let's install Python and a code editor for Python.
So now we are going to install Python and a code editor. For the code editor, we are going to use PyCharm. PyCharm is a free, like a freemium code editor. So you would have the licensed version and also the free version. So first we are going to install Python. For that we are going to use Google Chrome. For me, it's your choice to use any browser you like. So now first go to python.org, then hit enter and wait it to load. Then go to downloads and you could notice that the latest version of Python is Python 3.9.7. So this can't be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So if you're using Windows 7 or earlier, go to all releases and scroll down to Python 3.8.3 and here it is. Click on it and scroll down to files and get the 6 installation if you are using Windows. So if you are using Mac OS, you could get this installation, and if you are using a source release, you could get any of these releases. So get the 6 installation if you are using Windows 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just get this installation. So I am going to use the latest version. It's Python 3.9.7. Click on it and wait for it. Just give it a time and set the location and save. Then click on it and now run this and make sure to check this checkbox named add Python 3.9 to path, or otherwise your system will not recognize Python and it will give error like Python is not recognized as an internal or external hardware or software. Like then click on install now and it will take some time to install. So give it some time. So now the setup was successful. Or like if there is any requirement is not that you will get some error if you have any requirement error like this can't be installed because the service pack is not installed and many more. So just close this and now let's check whether you have installed Python successfully. So for that, just go to command prompt, just go to the start menu and then just type cmd. Type cmd like, and then you will get the command prompt. Just click on that and now just search Python underscore like not underscore version. Python version. It's Python 3.9.7. So if you have installed Python, that would, if you type Python / version, you will get Python 3.9.7 or any version you have installed. If you just type Python, then it will open the Python console. This is the Python console. So for simple example, you could add some numbers like 2 plus 1, or you could minus numbers 2 minus just minus 1 and many more. So now we are going to install a code editor. So for that we are going to use PyCharm. So for PyCharm, just go to jetbrains.com and then search for PyCharm in developer tools. Here it is, PyCharm. Go to download, then get the community version. So for just you can get anyone like you like. So it's Windows or Mac OS or Linux. So I'm going to use Windows and I'm going to download the community version. It's down. Let's download the community version. So set the location and then save and wait it to download. It's downloading and now the installation is downloaded. So wait some time and click on that and it's opening. Now wait it, give some time. Now just run this, then it's verifying the installation and then click next and set the destination of your file. So I'm going to install it for the C drive and it's okay. Then I'm going to click next and I'm going to add the PyCharm permutation, add open folder as project, Py associations, bin folder to the path and compatible. This is no, I don't use this. Add open folder as project and oh, these three are needed. And you could check this. Then next and install. It's now extracting. So now PyCharm is installed and if you need to run it from here, just click on this and click finish. Now just close all these and refresh this a bit. Now it will take some time to open that. So give it some time because that's much heavy. So now just you will get this license and now I read this carefully and then I confirm and continue. Now my cam is opening. So give it some time.
And now we have successfully installed Python and a code editor. It's PyCharm. So for recap, we install Python. I teach you how to install all the version of Python. And we install code editor. It's PyCharm. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to write your first code in Python. So let's meet up in the next video.